Ringed by hills and surrounded by verdant greenery, this is the beautiful, mysterious Nanren Lake, which the Michelin Green Guide to Taiwan rates as a 3-star must-see destination. So just what is so special about this area? And what kind of ecological treasure house is in Kending's Nanrenshan Ecological Protection Area? Let us go on a journey of discovery together through this unspoiled natural forest with its wealth of ecological wonders. The Nanrenshan Hills are located in the northeastern part of Kending National Park, bounded by the Pacific Ocean to the east and by the Gongko River to the west and south. The Nanrenshan Ecological Protection Area is more than 5,000 hectares, and it is the only surviving area of protected low-elevation primary forest in Taiwan. In this area, there are over 1,200 species of native vascular plants, representing around 1/3 of all vascular plant species found in Taiwan. This ecological richness is the reason why the area has been designated an ecological protection area within Kending National Park. Kending National Park contains some of Taiwan's most important ecological, historical, and cultural assets. Nanrenshan Ecological Protection Area is arguably the finest of these. Nanrenshan's unique topography and priceless ecological resources have made it an important site for scientific research. Many scientists and researchers have undertaken long-term ecological research here. Although the highest part of Nanrenshan Ecological Protection Area is only a little over 500 meters above sea level, it exhibits a broad diversity of flora and fauna. This diversity is related to the varied topography of the area, which includes hills, gorges, marshes, streams, hill slopes, grasslands, and Nanren Lake as well. The complex topography creates the conditions needed for many different kinds of plant species to grow and thrive. Well-known nature writer Mr. Xu Renxiu will be our guide as we explore this mysterious natural forest.
各位看我背后一棵非常大的树，这棵树是热带常见的这一种榕树，也是属于无花果类。那各位看到它这里其实好像很多很多的绳子在那边，那你看到它基本上就是非常有名的攀藤。这个攀藤缠绕在大树上面，这是热带雨林里非常大的特色。包括我们现在站的亚热带季风雨林也有这种特色。看看这棵气生根，这根一旦到达地面之后，它的这种气生根会越来越大、越来越粗，而且变成一个支撑的柱子一样。这些气生根本身也是一个支柱根，而且也让它可以往四周的扩展。热带雨林里面的典型种类里面有好多种，那其中有一个非常重要的就是叫做干生现象，有人干生开花、干生果。那我们在南人山呢也会看到，就在我的正前面就有一棵，你会看到果实是从树干里面直接长出来的，这个就是属于无花果类的，也是很多动物重要的食物。有时候它掉下来，等到它腐烂的时候，它会有一种酒味跟香味。这个时候就蛮多蝴蝶或者是甲虫都会来这样的地方吃的。
Most people thought that butterflies can only drink nectar. Actually, butterflies consume a wide variety of different types of food. Some butterfly species, such as the swallowtail butterflies, do drink nectar, so they need to find plants that secrete nectar. While most of the brush-footed butterflies, including the famous oak-leaf butterflies, subsist on tree sap and the juice of rotten fruit, and therefore, this is an ideal place for observing oak-leaf butterflies. Besides the butterflies, myriads of insect species show the impressive biodiversity in Nanrenshan Ecological Protection Area. However, the vast majority of these insect species like to hide themselves in the environment. Most of them have their own unique behavioral traits. To observe them, you need to stay very quiet and be very careful not to alarm them. These different types of insects make Nanrenshan Forest full of vitality and vigor. Strangling plants are one of the best-known phenomena in the tropical rainforest.
在这个路上，我们看到一棵大树。这棵大树很特别，我们会发现它盘根错节啊。然后你再注意看，竟然到上面是不同的树。原来这个是很有名的缠勒植物。看起来它是拥抱着另外一棵在那边抱着它，但是在这个紧紧拥抱当中，最后有一天它会把它勒死，取而代之。所以这个叫缠勒植物，有人叫它绞杀植物。它这种特色就是很多榕树都会干这种事情。我们讲在这里有很多的藤本植物，到处垂挂攀爬。其实这些藤本植物往往两条挂在一起或者分叉的地方啊，这些地方是这个黑枕蓝翁最喜欢筑巢的地方啊。他们会找茂密，可是里面有藤子的地方挂在上面，因为这样的地方算是比较安全，而且因为是藤，所以如果有动物要来的话，它会晃动，所以像这些都让它比较容易逃脱啊，或者让它们不敢到这么柔软的地方，怕掉下去。所以这个是这么小的小鸟，用来保护自己的幼雏的方式。各位看看，这样南人山的环境，所有的树木之间其实是枝干交错，缝隙并不多。然后地面下面的植物又是那么的茂密，所以想象得到，你知道，昆虫、动物、鸟类都非常的多。可是平常我们不容易看到，尤其在这边你要看鸟，其实是不太容易的。为什么？因为太茂密了。但是你用听的，在这里你可以听到非常多种的鸟类。比如说，你现在听听看，这一串都是五色鸟，可是我看不到它，因为它的颜色跟树叶一模一样，然后又这么茂密。
As this area is tropical monsoon rainforest, the humidity is very high, making it an ideal habitat for mollusks. In Nanrenshan, we often find Leptoma latidum snail, Conoglobus albida snail, and Camina botanica pancala snail, which are very rare, even in the Hangchuan Peninsula. Both in terms of color and shape, these snails are highly distinctive. During the daytime, they are resting and not easy to see. Normally, we can find them when the humidity is particularly high, such as in the evening or on rainy days. That's when you have more chance to see them climbing around and looking for food.
南人山里面的物种非常的茂密，因为物种多，然后所有的攀藤，包括附生在树干上面很多很多的着生植物。这些植物有的会结很多的果实，有的嫩叶很可口，所以非常适合台湾猕猴的生存。所以你来到这边，你安安静静的走，往往会听到猕猴在呼叫、吃东西、跳跃。那因为物种很多，它不用担心，它几乎整年都有东西吃啊。这边的大树结果了，啊那边嫩叶出来了，所以它几乎可以在这边任何地方都找到。所以它算是一个非常适合台湾猕猴生存的地方。现在我们从山底下一路往上走，一路爬到南人湖。在沿路的过程当中，我们可以看到林相其实不断的变化。这些林相呢，完全受到这里的地形、这里的风、这里的雨影响，所以你沿路一直看它变化是蛮大的。所以特别有些在风口地方，你可以看到它的林冠其实是非常平的，就是因为受到风剪修切。就是在另一侧没有受到的时候，你就会看到它的长得又比较高大。像这样子的横干很多往下倾的，大概地形跟风都影响着这些植物的生长，所以它的林相是不断的在改变。
Another distinctive feature of the Nanrenshan forest is the vegetation compression effect, with patches of temperate, subtropical, and tropical forest all being found in the same area at low elevation. For example, you can find plant species here at an elevation of around 500 meters that you would normally expect to find at 5,000 meters. On our way towards Nanren Lake, we pass a large area of marshland. This marsh is home for many aquatic plants and aquatic insects. The most commonly found aquatic insects are the dragonfly and damselfly. They are very easily found here, making it a marvelous place to observe these aquatic lives. Because of the high humidity and broad expanses of water, there are abundant amphibian species living here. Even in the daytime, you can hear many different kinds of frogs calling.
我们现在听了，从声音中我们知道这是白函树蛙。南人山的湿度很高，水也很多，所以两栖类相当丰富，我们几乎都在这附近都可以看到。所以这是一个观察两栖，特别是青蛙最方便的地方。因为草很茂密，所以晚上的时候要注意，因为蛙也是蛇类的食物，所以你不要光只看蛙，有时候我们也会看到蛇，所以这也是一个看很好的机会，包括看爬虫类。白天的话，我们就会看到许多蜥蜴啊，有时候会出来晒太阳啊，攀木蜥蜴啦、石龙子之类的啊，几乎都可以看到。南人山这条路上，一路上都非常多的鹿蟹。白天你比较不容易看到，因为它的敌人蛮多的。可是晚上它出来觅食的时候，你会看到这个只要有一点水的，几乎都可以看到它的踪影啊。
At the end of the path, there is the Nanren Lake. It is situated in the valley bottom and surrounded by hills. Once there were terraced rice fields in the valley. When the stream that carried water out of the valley silted up, a large lake was formed.
那这个山顶呢，因为是从东北季风啊，直接就从这边灌过来，所以这里的山你可以看到，所有的植物几乎都受到季风的影响。
Due to the strong northwest monsoon, the shrubs and bushes growing on exposed seaward-facing hilltops and ridges take the form of dwarfish or cushion plants, adapting to the extreme climatic conditions. So, the plants in Nanrenshan Ecological Protection Area are very tough. In the natural world, preying on and being preyed upon is the most fundamental principle of existence. It happens all the time, and so it does in the grasslands and marshes around Nanren Lake. In this world filled with life, we human beings, who consider ourselves to be the soul of the universe, should admire and ponder nature. The Nanrenshan Ecological Protection Area is the most pristine, most carefully protected part of Kunding National Park. For this reason, visitors need to apply for permits via the Kunding National Park Administration website in advance. Before you enter the protection area, you have to watch a brief video introducing Nanrenshan at the Visitor Center or Nanrenshan Research Station. The Nanrenshan hiking trail is 8.6 kilometers in total and offers visitors a special opportunity to exercise. The Nanrenshan Ecological Protection Area contains priceless ecological treasures, so visitors need to follow certain rules. For your own safety, please do not leave the marked trail. Do not pick flowers or plants or disturb animals and birds. The ecological wonder and beauty of Nanrenshan is waiting to be discovered. As the sunlight illuminates each layer of the forest, let us listen to the myriad sounds of nature and reflect on the inherent value of every life. When we see the earth in a different way, you'll find that you've become closer to nature.